You are going to love the 2023 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.